Okay, IELTS speaking part 1. We are going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. So,
Do you drive often?
Yes, I would like to. Traveling is my favorite hobby. So I used to travel.
I
uh,
usually travel.
I usually travel. We usually like to travel with my family and my friends. So the answer to your question is I like to travel.
I like to drive,
Travel.
right?
Do you want your children to drive in the future?
Yes, it is our daily need. Driving to drive, whether we have to go to school, whether we have to go to our office for a job or where we job. So it's our daily need. So I would like my children to drive.
learn to drive in
Learn
the
to drive
future.
in
Very good. That's right.
at very young age.
Mhm. Good.
Do you think driving is a difficult task?
No, I don't think so. Driving is a difficult task because I like to see my father driving when I was very young age.
I used to see
I used to see my
my father driving when I
fa-
was
because I
at a young
travel to school from a far. My home is far from my school.
my
so
home was far from
was
my
from
school.
my school. So I used to see my father driving. So I have learnt by seeing my father
Okay.
drive.
Okay.
So the answer to your question is that the answer your
Now, by this time, you have forgotten the question.
Yes.
Okay, this happens. So, try to give direct answer, one idea, elaborate that idea, and in 5-6 sentences, you must conclude your answer. Overall, your language is good, but you need practice and understanding of such type of questions. Okay, thank you.